Imagine you wake up and you get on the floor and you realize it's full of water. What are you going to do? So first you take out some towels, you take out some buckets, and you push the water out and you dry it up. But within a short period of time, water fills up the floor again. You realize it's a little bit uncontrollable. So you go out in the yard and you're going to make some trenches and maybe even a backyard pond because you're going to funnel that water out of the house. Brilliant, right? This is going to redirect the water. You're going to be okay, right? Then you go out, you come back, and you find out the water not only has filled up the pond in the back, it's pouring out your windows. It's now doing damage to the house. So you keep repairing the outside of the house. Now, as you well know, this is so illogical. Because what would you do? If there's something happening inside the house, you need to take care of it inside the house. You don't need to take care of the exterior or the symptoms. You need to take care of the root cause, which is a plumbing leak, right? The real issue isn't the yard. It isn't the front door. It isn't the windows. The real issue has a root cause. And it, my friend, is a broken pipe. This relates to our health and how we treat our bodies and symptoms that we are experiencing. So your skin breaks out, your joints hurt, your brain feels foggy, the mood swings, the energy drains. These are like the water coming out of the house. So what do? We do what we've been taught to do. Get a cream for the skin, get a pain medication for the joint pain, get a stimulant for the brain, something to calm your mood. And all of these things are great if you're trying to just manage those symptoms. But the real leak is inside. It's inflammation, it's stress chemistry, it's trauma patterns, it's nutrient depletion, it's cellular dysfunction. So just like the house, if you don't address the broken pipe, you're never going to get rid of the water completely. And this is the same as your body. If you don't address those cellular things and functions of the body, it's going to be very difficult to experience the thriving, beautiful life you are meant to have. So the real question is, are you just going to keep pushing the water around, soaking it up, trying to divert it? Or are you going to start addressing it? Are you going to start to look at the changes you need to make to help your body be at its best? And the cool part, once you start addressing those things, it is evident on the outside of your body. It is evident in your pain. It's evident in your skin. It's evident in the world and your mood and your brain fog. Your body just responds amazingly. So when stress patterns shift, behaviors change, the nervous system calms, the symptoms fade, and the body gets what it needs, the cells function differently. And just like the house, you're not going to need more buckets or trenches in the yard. You're just in a house that works the way it was designed to do. Your body is the same. The symptom is never the problem. It is the expression of the problem. Because you're not broken. You're just blocked. What is happening that is blocking you from experiencing your best life? See you next time on Love to Live, Eileen.